vekwaGurundoro havagoni kugara vega pasina madzimai vanourayana. Hamuzvizivi here ivi kuti varume vakagara vega vanourayana? Imi vakadzi ndimunoita kuti tigarisane, because rimwe simba rine varume rinoperera pamuri imimi. Saka Mwari akagadzira mudzimai as a radiator in the world of men. When the engine gets hot,
Yes.
you cool it down. Ibodonderera maoko.
Yes.
But I don't believe that we need a female president. I'm sorry about that. I know you don't like it. But I'm a man of God. I don't move with the wind. I stick to scriptures.
Ora, 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 ora. Ndabuda mdeni, ndaloka madozi, ndapita machira, ndapeza kuyabota. Nawo zangu zinotanga ndiri pambeda, tose kumba ndatoita meta. Ora, ora, zvakatanga na maya kandirumira nemhiripiri. Ora.
Don't sell that land. That's the last thing you must lose in this life. Our daughters are born into that land. When they get married, they go and join other tribes. Their husbands belong to another tribe with their own land. So there is nobody losing here. When our sons need to get married, we take a daughter from that family as well, bring her into our tribe's land. Nobody is desperate. Nobody is landless. Tikatora mwana wedu tikamurodza kwaGurundoro, haana kurasikirwa. Kune land yekwaGurundoro. VekwaGurundoro havagoni kugara vega pasina madzimai vanourayana. Hamuzvizivi here ivi kuti varume vakagara vega vanourayana? Imi vakadzi ndimunoita kuti tigarisane, because rimwe simba rine varume rinoperera pamuri imimi.
Ichokwadi ichocho.
Nditaura ndichiita sei? Enda kubhora uku kuRufaro Stadium uone Highlanders neDynamos zvichitamba. Dewe remhuka yakafa makaiswa mweya. Mumwe anobva imomo asina mazino. Vachinetsanyirana nyaya yekuti ref aridza pito zvisiri izvo. Ref wacho anenge akuda kutoenda kunorara. Anopiwa mari. Ivo havana kana chavapiwa, vatobhadhara. Asi vanobvisana mazino futi nenyaya yebhora irori. Saka Mwari akagadzira mudzimai as a radiator in the world of men. When the engine gets hot,
Yes.
you cool it down. Ibodonderera maoko.
Yes.
Tinotenda. Ndofunga madzimai munowirirana neni. Mwari akabvisa vakadzi vese panyika panapa. Atite 2 years tiri vapenyu. Tourayana tese. Funzari pasaidi pako tinozviziva here. So it's necessary. VekwaGurundoro vanotodawo futi maradiator iwayaya kuti injini dzavo dzipote dzichitonhora. Mazvona. Saka mwana wedu akaroorwa kwaGurundoro, anosvika vana vekwaGurundoro vaine minda asi vasingagoni kurara. Vanorara vakasvinura, vachishaudhana, vachidii. Uyo akauya unoona dzakunyemwerera. Pamba padzaingomuka dzichibuda kunge mbeva dzotomboswerawo pamba. Now, it is true God designed a man as a hard worker. But one thing that God denied a man of is appetite to spend on himself. Go and find out, you can do research. When a man has money in his pocket, he does not plan to use it on himself. But he can work hard, he can work 12 hours. He can demand a pay rise. He can demand for extra shift. And when he gets a salary, he surrenders all the money to the love of his life. When he sees his wife looking beautiful, he considers it money well spent. He goes back tomorrow and does the same thing.
Yes, 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 yes.
Funza murume ari pasaidi pako kuti waizviziva here kuti dai pasina madzimai hapana aenda kubasa. Dai tichirohwa tese netumbwa. Dai tese izvozvi tiri kufa netumbwa. Pasina mhuri hakuna murume anoda kuenda kubasa. Hakuna. Murume asina mudzimai kana kuti akadhisaidha kusaroora haugone kuzviziva kuti ane mari rekoti hana. It means nothing to him. And women don't know that. Unless there's something biologically wrong with the men. Men on themselves have a very shrewd value system in a proverbial manner. They are not attracted to materials. They are attracted to values. They need reasons. They don't need items. If you find a man who says, I love expensive things, something is wrong. Or maybe he simply has a lot of money, he doesn't have any problems. But normally men do not consider what is the price of the watch on his wrist. They don't care about that. Amsati mamboona varume vachidadirana kuti ane haircut inodhura ndiani. Imi ndimunodadirana nemawigi enyu nemaweave enyu ikoko. Ndiri kunyepera. A man can go into a barber shop and the barber says, what do you want? And he asks the barber, anything that fits my head, I'm fine. Imi munoita 30 minutes muchiona catalog yemahairstyle. Ndoda iyi awa imbomirai iyi inenge yakanaka iyi munayo here zvonzi hatina zvonzi imbomirai uyo tozoti time dzakufamba ndine client na 5. Men do not really care about those things. A man can buy his wife a suit or an attire worth $300 when he's wearing a pair of shoes that cost $15. He doesn't feel anything wrong about that. Murume anogona kutengera mukadzi wake hembe inodhura iye achifamba nema-Crocs. Ana basa nazvo. Men wants the job to be done. But what men call the job is you. I don't know if you understood. When I say men want the job to be done, you think there's something serious. Nothing. What they are calling the job is their wife and children. They want to see their wife and children fine. And you see a man happy, his family is fine. This is why the debate on who is what in the society is based on the twisting of what God designed. In the proper scheme of things, there shouldn't be a debate on equal treatment, of course, for example, between men and women, the egalitarian society, the woke movement, the Me Too movement, and so forth. It's a discussion based on misunderstanding of what God designed. Instead of saying women must get equal job opportunities in industries, why do we not rather say, let us have women starting their own companies? Give yourself a good opportunity. Why should you get an opportunity from a company designed and started by a man? Daughter manager pa company yevamwe. Madi ungotanga dzevakadzi company dzacho. Mupromota na zvisingaite. Chungopinda Monday, Friday wato CEO. Doesn't make sense. Let's look at facts and truths. More companies are owned by men and not women. And because women are designed with complications, productivity is affected by those complications. The maternity leave issue is a big issue to companies. If you have 100 women in your company and 50 of them get pregnant at the same time, you are required by the Labor Act to give them maternity leave.
Yes.
That hampers productivity. But remember, this is a man who started a company to make money. Why should he be punished to take care of your pregnancy? Why don't you start your own company so that when you get pregnant, you close it? After maternity issues, you open it again. You want to force men to accommodate you, but you're also saying we are equal. Men never asked anything from you. They started their companies. Why are you asking for something from men if you truly believe we are equal? Why don't you buy land and employ female builders and female road construction workers? Let's see how many roads will be built by women alone. Munogona here kuchera madhamu mega mokwira pa scaffold kudai mapedza munobikira futi murume manheru. There are certain things that women by nature cannot do, but that doesn't mean they are useless. Let's stick to the law of nature. Start a company with your husband. Run it together. You don't have to explain to anyone, I'm going on maternity leave. It's your company as a family. You don't have to inconvenience anyone. You don't have to picket and lobby at anyone's company premises. It's your initiative. It takes $160 in Zimbabwe to register a company. The man you are arguing on Facebook, ungade wakatovhura company izvezvi. Data $5 plus data $5. Ungade wakaregister company. Wato director izvezvi. Worana company zvonzi mukadzi uyu akaoma. Mogadzira ndege yakadhizainwa nevakadzi. Mogadzira zvitima. Toti vanhu vane simba. Takaenzana. Varume vouyawo kuzotsvaga mabasa ikoko. If you need men to give you a female quota in the parliament, that is evidence you are not equal. If you were equal, you didn't need a law to say there must be 50% representation in the parliament. And a society like that is retrogressive. Because you are putting people in parliament because of the anatomy of their bodies and not because of the content of their brains. Ukapindira parliament kuti uri mukadzi chete kwete kuti une zvaunokontributayo. We thought that getting into parliament is about going to the constituency campaigning. It's not about that after all. Ex-official member. I don't believe in that. I don't believe that we need equal number of men and women in parliament. I believe that even if it means we have more productive and constructive women, if they win election, let them get into parliament. Kana vakateta 70%, kana vari vanodiwa nevanhu, it's enough. Because kuripresenta vanhu, it's about developing a nation. It shouldn't be about gender. You understand? But I don't believe that we need a female president. I'm sorry about that. I know you don't like it. But I'm a man of God. I don't move with the wind. I stick to scriptures. The president is the father of the nation. When she is a woman, we become orphans because we have a mother without a father. If the president is a woman, her husband cannot be the father of a nation because he also has to bow down to his wife. That's disorder. What happens when the president signs a bill into an act? Her husband is required to obey that law. That violates the law of the marriage. A woman cannot bring law to her husband. And when the man says, I can't follow this law because you are my wife, that's now a banana republic. Mukadzi abvumidzwa kupa mutemo kumurume wake. Saka mukadzi akaita president achasaina mutemo. Osainira futi murume wake. Baba mwana tasaina mutemo. Zvenyu zvekuti kana muri panapa motorega mausungwana zveshe. Murume oti igwe. Azviiteba. Kana mukadzi achipinda mumeeting, president achipinda, munhu wese anofanira kusimuka. Kana murume wake ari murume imomo, president achipinda, anofanirwa here kusimukawo futi murume wake. My scenarios ngatinyatsotaurayi, ngatirege kugumbuka asi kana katisimukai president ari kupinda, iwe ndiwe murume wacho, unosimuka here. Hazvitenderwe naMwari izvozvo. There are certain things that we cannot do even if it makes sense. Because if it is not allowed by God, it doesn't have a blessing from God. Why would we do something which God will not bless? Who blessed this president? Anozonamatira president iyeyu ndiani? Komborerai mama. Ndiani anoita mashoko ewayo? Mwari anoti penyu varume mese hapana ane musoro kudarika mukadzi uyu. Imota na Mwari sorry na Jesu chaiye. Hazviite ba.